Hello everyone, this is Mainline Engine 2, and today I am presenting a possible layout for Season 4 and 5 of Thomas & Friends Wooden Railway Originals. So first, we start out at the turntable, where Skarloey is. And this turntable goes 8 different ways. So first, we're going to take this track. So this track winds around this way from the turntable, goes around a bend, and here we see Luke and Frank with a quarry train. Now you might be wondering why Frank is on here on this narrow gauge layout, as well as Mike, the Arsdale engines. I'm just going to throw them in with the narrow gauge engines since they possibly are the same gauge or whatever. I don't know. I just put them on here. So it winds around there and then comes back around to the turntable where Skarloey is. And now we're going to take this track next to the barrel and it goes over here to the shed where Mike and Duncan are. Now we're gonna go to the track beside it that goes this way. And here we have Rusty and the Sodor cement cars, and it ends at a dead end right there. So then we're gonna take this track beside Skarloey and we go around a curve and then back around over past the grist mill. Let me fix the roof there. Past the grist mill and onto a pair of buffers where we have Lady. Now this is my new Lady. I bought her off of eBay a week ago at the making of this video. And these are the magic buffers that lead into the narrow gauge railway. So Lady can travel on all the different rail gauges, as so in my series. So she will appear on the narrow gauge layout if she needs to. So then this goes back around the curve past the grist mill and back to the turntable where Skarloey is. Now we're going to take this track from the turntable and then we get to a V switch and we're going to go this way. So we come back around where we find Peter Sam at the junction, which is Crovan's Gate in the series. So it goes up and around here onto this bridge and then back around this way around a curve where we find Rheneas. And then it comes here to another switch and we're gonna take this track. So this track comes back around here back to the V switch. Now going back over here to this track goes back around here, past the grist mill, and back to where Skarloey is. Now here's just an overview of the layout from up here. And as you can see, this is a brand name Thomas Wooden Railway playboard, and I've had it for a while, so yeah. Let's go back down here, and that is basically the layout, well, possible layout for season 4 and 5 of Thomas & Friends Wooden Railway Originals, because the narrow gauge engines will premiere in season 4 of my series, as they did the same in the TV series. Now, if you were wondering, I don't have Sir Handel, sadly, and I don't have Millie, Duke, Mighty Mac, Fearless Freddy, or Smudger. I will get them eventually while I am on break from making my series. Now, this didn't take much track, except for one important part, well, two actually, which is the V-switch right there, and then that V-switch right there, and then this switch over here. And those are the three main pieces that won't be seen. But I will get more track, along with the turntable and the sheds that I'll be using, maybe. So this was basically the possible Season 4 and Season 5 narrow gauge layout for Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway Originals. So thanks for watching. Please comment and like on this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you guys later.